It's on. Let me turn the.
Here on the middle track, and then just kind of lay down as you go back there. And when you get up there, that's a pressurized vessel back there. Then you just stand up, okay? And bring your legs up now, and you just stand up back there. And look out the back. So go ahead and stand up.
Okay, we're here in the cockpit of a B-29 called FIFi. Only one out of two flying in the world right now. Quite an amazing, beautiful bird. Really unbelievable to have the experience to be on board and be able to reminisce a little bit and learn so much about such an important aircraft that basically turned the tide of World War II. If you're not aware of what a B-29 is, it's the aircraft that actually dropped the atomic bombs in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So it was quite a remarkable piece of history. Unbelievable the effort the Commemorative Air Force has done to keep this aircraft airborne for so long. Truly a piece of history. It's such a pleasure to be here. Thanks.
Can you say something, please?
How you doing today? Glad to have you aboard.
He's the pilot.
He's the Chief Operations.
Oh, chief operations, so something bigger.
So we get a chance to schedule the pilots to fly the airplane when we go out on tour. So I put them on all the places that they want to go, with the exception of Nellis. That's where I want to go. That's why we're there. So pretty fun to get to fly this airplane and honor everybody that made us free prior to us doing this. So we try to educate the young guys for good and just so they understand what everybody before us did. So yeah.
Thank you very much. Look at this. Oh, God.
You got any Tata C-47s?
No, my brother flies the Playbob Express out of Riverside.
Yeah, that's you mentioned it.
Yeah, so he flies over to Oshkosh all the time.
Well, hopefully you return me the favor and you come visit us at Frederick, Oklahoma. It's going to be a little bit harder, but probably in April when we have the Tuesday. But it'll be quite an opportunity. Remember.